Today we're going to be talking about some awesome news behind AMC stock. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock of the moment, why it's your favorite stock of the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are interested in trading AMC on a new platform or a new stock brokerage, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get signed up with WeBull for 2 stocks that could be worth up to $1,850. With all that out of the way, let's get into our stock for today, AMC. So AMC obviously had a very good day today, I believe up about 8%, down a little bit in after hours, but we also have a little bit of news behind AMC as well, about a record box office weekend, as well as other retail investor knowledge that you should basically know. But here we go, let's get straight into this Fox Business article. It's titled, "As AMC CEO Touts Record Box Office Weekend, Retail Investors Question Need for New Stock." So as if you guys didn't know, they will actually be holding another meeting. We already had a meeting about this, but we'll be having another meeting on July 29th for investors where they can actually vote on whether or not we should give 25 million new stock out to investors. Obviously, this would really not be good for retail investors as they're trying to get a squeeze, and adding 25 million shares to things does not help out the short squeeze situation that AMC investors are still hopeful for. But here we go, let's get straight into the article. So AMC CEO Adam Aron says that the movie chain's attendance broke new domestic and global records over the weekend, giving the stock a lift today, up 7% today. And basically what it was, due to a gangbuster of opening Universal picks, F9, 2 million people watched the movie in AMC theaters Thursday through Sunday in the US, and 2.5 million people did at our theaters globally. He tweeted, "Both record numbers since reopening theaters." So basically the best weekend they've had all year, and it came this last weekend, and actually since the beginning of the pandemic, this was the best weekend since then. So obviously this is what it was about, Fast and Furious 9. Obviously this is a huge movie, a lot of people love this movie series. But Aaron has been using the social media platform to appeal to shareholders of the company ahead of its annual meeting on July 29th to push for the okay to issue new shares. Obviously, he wants new shares in order to get money from those shares in order to make the business better, because their balance sheet is low-key in a bad place right now. We've already been over that in prior videos, though. But yeah, and it also launched Investor Connect, a platform. So if you guys want to actually get involved, go to Investor Connect, a platform that offers shareholder exclusive promotions, including free or discounted items and invitations to special screenings and direct communication on company development. So if you guys are like big into AMC stock and you want some free or discounted items, go ahead and get involved with Investor Connect. As of June 22nd, nearly 200,000 shareholders have signed up for the service. So yeah, basically let's just quickly go over. As of June 2nd, which is a while ago, but that's the last time it was updated, the company has about 500,000 shares outstanding. Last week, Aaron, I don't know why I keep saying Aaron, urged the company shareholders to vote yes on authorizing 25 million new shares. The shares and he also has the caveat that they will not be invested until January 2022, so that the short squeeze can still occur. Yeah, he says that some people fear dilution.
Had to buy every shade, Rashid?
1 second. Some people fear dilution, but maybe neglecting that equity raising is a powerful tool to strengthen a company, Aaron wrote. AMC said 5 times in January, May, and June that we diluted shares, but as a result, we raised about $2.5 billion, and AMC is much stronger because we did. So he wants more money. Obviously, as a CEO, you're always going to want more money, but investors don't want to do that, and luckily, it's up to the investors. So obviously, if you want to vote no, you can vote no on that. However, following Monday's announcement, many Twitter users said that the success means that AMC does not need to authorize additional shares, and they said they would vote no. Advanced voting agenda on AMC's agenda Advanced voting on AMC's agenda for next month's shareholders meeting kicked off June 16th and will continue through July 28th. The movie-going milestone comes as shares have rose over 2,700% this year. So obviously, good weekend, good thing that we got a lot of people into theaters and AMC theaters, but the CEO is trying to use this as a, hey, we need more to be able to issue 25 million more shares so that we can have more money to make things better for the business. And very understandable, but people have been saying that he's already gotten enough money to kind of fix the business, and he needs to stay true to what the shareholders want. But yeah, now we can go over a little bit of a technical analysis. So obviously I did a video yesterday that came out today. Obviously this video will come out tomorrow for me. Very confusing stuff, I understand. But basically, we made a video and I talked about the fact that we have been bouncing around, touching the $65 mark, as well as the $51 mark. And whatever we break first is going to be indicative of where we go, whether or not we are in a bearish trend or a bullish trend. Obviously, I said that we cannot go below the 51 support, or else we could be going all the way back to $41, possibly $40 basically. But if we can go above the $65, we could be heading back to about the $75 range pretty soon. So that presents a pretty good upside from here. And then after this video, I said that it's also about to start trending up on the MACD. In that video, I said it would trend up on the MACD and and basically it did to start today. And then the RSI is back up to, I believe it touched 70, and now it's at about a 50-ish range, so 58. Honestly, tomorrow I expect this to open up pretty much basically barely in the green, probably up 1% or 2% to start tomorrow. And I'm expecting it to go and maybe test this resistance of 65 sooner rather than later, because as you can see here, we have a lot of peaks and a lot of valleys. So we have a peak followed by a valley. Obviously what goes up must come down, especially in this situation. But last time we topped off at about $60, so it'll be interesting to see if we can get above $60 tomorrow. We're still trending upwards on the MACD, although we're slowing down here, and then we're only at about a 50 RSI, so it's very possible that we could be getting up to $65 to test that resistance sooner rather than later. But yeah, I'm gonna keep these little lines drawn until we do get confirmation on whether we are in a bearish or bullish trend. So I'm just going to keep on extending these every day until we break one of the support or the resistance levels. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys are excited about this news, then go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and maybe a comment. Maybe comment what your favorite stock is at the moment, or whether or not you are invested in AMC at the moment. Basically, just comment anything. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. Let us know what videos you want to see in the comment section below. Consider leaving a like and subscribe like I already said. And that's pretty much going to be it. My name is Zach. I'll see you in the next video.